afternoon to you all. My name is Sai. I am from Rohini Diagnostics Lab, Rajahmundry. In my laboratory, we are using typhoid and scrub typhus rapid kits of Jemitra. My recently started using typhoid antibody rapid kits. These typhoid rapid kits results are very good. Sensitivity and specificity is very good. Thank you, Jemitra.